I will show you how to make life-changing amounts of money online, going from beginner to hero in no time. This one is for all my online miners starting the journey to financial freedom. You've got to have some guidance. Otherwise, you'll end up like every other aspiring entrepreneur who fails without ever giving it their all. This guidance is what separates the successful from the unsuccessful. For those of you who want to reach the peak, this video is the perfect starting point. In the next few minutes, I will share the various ways you can make money online. And next, I'll tell you about the best practices you can follow to ensure your success. So be sure to stick around till the end and not miss anything. To begin earning money online, you will need a gig. Now, there are many tried and tested methods for you to earn money online. To get you started, I will share 6 methods that are beginner friendly. These are low-risk earning methods, and they don't require any hefty investments. Arbitrage. In this method, you need to first go to trusted e-commerce websites. Think Amazon, eBay, Walmart, or any other platform popular in your country. Then you look for a product. What you need to find is a product that is being sold for much cheaper than it is listed for on other platforms. So let's say you find a coffee table that is being sold at Walmart for $100, and the same table is listed on eBay for $150. What you can do to make money is put an ad on eBay for the table for $150. Use the pictures and product info from the Walmart ad. When you get an order on your posting and get the contact details of the customer, you buy the table from Walmart for $100 and ship it to your home or warehouse. Then you ship it over to the customer, charging them $150. Finally, you can pocket the difference after shipping expenses. There, you just made easy money with little to no effort. You can do this with any product at almost any price point. There is a lot of room for profit in this method with little to no risk. Next, we have dropshipping, an all-time favorite. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is very similar to arbitrage, except even less risky. Let me show you how. In dropshipping, you find a product that is selling for less than what it sells for on other sites. Again, you should look for these products on trusted platforms like Amazon and eBay. Once you have found a product, you will post an ad for it with a higher price tag. So far, it's the same as arbitrage. What's different about dropshipping is that when you get an order on your ad, you go back to the original seller and place an order for the product there. Then, instead of giving your own address, you put in the address of your customer while placing the order. This way, it gets shipped directly to the customer, and you can pocket the difference. Wondering how this is safer? Well, you don't hold inventory at any point in dropshipping. In contrast, you have to own the product for a while when doing arbitrage. So, in dropshipping, you don't have to deal with any of the risks associated with holding inventory, making it less risky. But there's another method that we must talk about: Clickbank. The third method you can try to make money is Clickbank. This website pays you a commission for selling its products. It's as simple as that. Marketing is the only work you have to put in. Everything else is handled by Clickbank, and you can make up to hundreds of dollars in commission on certain products. So there is a lot of money to be made here. You can join the Clickbank affiliate program from their website, clickbank.com. Then pick any product you think you can sell easily and start marketing it. Each unit you sell will get you a commission. A simple recipe for money. Content creation. The next method that I would recommend to start making money online is content creation. It takes a bit of effort to be successful as a content creator on platforms such as YouTube, but once you make it, there is a lot of money to be made. As long as you put a flair of your own to your content, you will eventually build up a viewer base who enjoy it. And after that, the road to making millions becomes easy. I believe this topic deserves a whole video of its own. So let me know in the comments if you'd like to know how one can earn money as a content creator. Shopify. Lastly, we have Shopify. Building an e-commerce business has become very, very easy thanks to Shopify. You can have your Shopify store up and running in no time. It is accessible, there are tons of tutorials online, and you don't have to do any programming either. I will link some tutorials for making a store on Shopify in the comments section below, so don't forget to check those out. And with your own e-commerce store on Shopify, the potential for profit is nearly limitless. Now, keep in mind you will have to put in a lot of effort if you wish to start an e-commerce business, such as researching products, managing inventory, and doing customer care. Also, you will have to raise some investment to get started, just for buying inventory and doing marketing. But if you can do all that, you can make more than millions by selling even one good product. You will also need a good marketing strategy to succeed in the e-commerce world. One thing I recommend you do is run Facebook ads and Google ads. These will drive up the traffic on your online store and result in more sales. So be sure to incorporate this tool as well. If you have liked the video so far, please drop a like. It helps out the channel massively. Also, subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. Alright, now let's talk about some things every beginner should do when starting their journey to earn money online. Good practices. No matter which method you pick, there are two things you must do. The first is networking. Network. It is vital that you network with other entrepreneurs in your field if you want to be successful. Through networking, you can gain access to new opportunities and have better resources to tackle any problem you face. Plus, you can learn from other entrepreneurs and make your product or business model better than theirs. Sometimes, getting even a small advantage over your competition can bring you great success, and that's very much possible through networking. The second thing you must do to achieve success is to gain attention. Attention is the currency that attracts money. The more positive attention you get, whether that is followers on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube, the more money-making opportunities will present themselves. If no one knows your brand because you did not market yourself, your business will die in obscurity. So, find creative ways to attract the attention of your customer base. And in no time, you will find your own way to your first $1 million. And with that, the beginner's guide to making money online is finished. How is your journey towards financial freedom going? What motivation keeps you hustling? Let me know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, keep mining.